Hey guys, Joseph Good and Curse the Wizard here, and today I'm doing another little topic on e-bike discussions again. Mainly for fat tire e-bikes, you know what I mean, like the more like the motorcycle style ones or whatever, or even the step throughs are cool, folding ones. It's all same thing in the end, you know what I mean. 500 watts, that's what I'm working with. But what I want to discuss is especially if you like off-roading and say your e-bike goes, I don't know, 40 kilometers an hour, and you have a 45 kilometer to 100 kilometer range on it that you can ride out. And say you're off-roading in the trails, and you're already like 20 miles in, and you get a flat, or your chain breaks, or something, your brakes let go, or a disaster happens. I want to show you exactly what I've learned, what I need to be able to get out of any single situation, other than your battery blowing up or a total meltdown, something crazy like that. So that's what I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so this is what I'm not a pro. I need more accessories. This is just a basic kit that I've got so far that will get me out of any jam, and most of it came pretty much with the bike, and I'd say about 40 bucks at Walmart, between Walmart and a dollar store, just to get everything you need to do anything you want on the bike. You can literally strip it down, put it back together, rewire it, whatever you want to do. So okay, anyway, this is what it is. Hey guys, Josh Good and Curse Wizard here, and as I was saying earlier, okay, so this here's my fat tire e-bike. It's a Go Tiger. It's a 500 watt motor. It's water resistant and everything else. It's just got a battery here, and it also has this carry-on pouch. And this carry-on pouch is very important. It's waterproof. The reason why I'm going to show you why it's so important is because I use it as a tool pouch, and everything you need for what I just said, for whether your wheel comes off, your bracket, your chain breaks, your I don't know, some sprockets go, whatever, your mirrors come on, anything, you hit a bump, and you get a flat, whatever, something breaks, anything like that. So I'm going to show you what I've learned so far, what I think I need, and just to maintain the bike, and also as well as the mirrors I added on as accessories. I'm going to add on single lights, and I'm going to deck it all out later on, but I'm just going to show you pretty much what came with the bike and what I got, and I just laid it out on a small towel. And this here is what I started off with. So we're looking at the tools here. Now this is the charger up front, okay, and these here are just basic tools. Okay, look, it's just a few wrenches. Okay, I got an extra chain, and I got a chain link remover and a master link just in case something happens with the chain. Okay, I even carry an umbrella just in case I run into like a really crazy water storm and I gotta take shelter. I got a really strong lock that I got with it. I got a pair of e-bike shoes, and I've got it's nice to have a proper e-bike jacket with padding in case you wipe out, because if you do, you're gonna skin your arms right off the pave. Bell helmet, and you want your step pump, because it fits in the bike really great. It shows the PSI and everything on it. Awesome. E-bike gloves. Okay, and then of course you got your keys. Now you might be thinking, why would you take medical tape? Well, if your bike isn't fully waterproof, like, there's only one part of my bike I got to protect, and it's right here. That's why there's duct tape around there, because if water gets into this, I can literally damage my bike completely. But this medical tape is actually waterproof, so if I hit a rainstorm, I just put this right over, so I'll operate the bike. So I always carry it with me. Very good thing to have. Even better than electrical tape, because the electrical tape will get wet and fall off. I got a drill, which power runs off USB. If I absolutely need it, I always carry some bungee cords. This is extra lube in case you got I don't know, your bearing breaks or whatever. And that's it. You got your Allen key wrenches. That's it. You got some tire levers, change your tires, a couple of pouches. Actually, you see these here 3 pouches right here? 1, 2, just these 3 pouches. All those tools, everything fits in those 3 pouches, and everything fits in there. Okay, so this here I'm wearing, this stuff. And of course I got my armor, all my WD-40, like if you want to get the grease out. It's a degreaser, so I wouldn't recommend lubing anything with it, but it's great to get junk and grease out of your certain parts of the bike. And of course, Armor All protects your bike from the sun, the heat, all that stuff. Protects the leather and, well, pleather probably, or whatever. And it just really shines up the bike and makes it look good. So yeah, you got your charger, you got your tools, and believe it or not, I'll back out. This is all on one towel, so if we block out what I wear for clothes. So I pull this aside, right? So I get this out of the way, and we just break it down to tools. What are we looking at here? That's it. That's it. Very, very small, and it's even spread out. So very small. This is all you really need for tools. That's it. Put that in your e-bike no matter what happens, and you're good to go.